Audi RS2 Hot Wheels Custom. First of all, I take my multi-tool and chuck in a drill bit. Drill out the rivets. Disassemble the car. Then place in the paint remover. Remove from the container and polish or sand the surface. Remove the side mirrors. Take an empty branch from a model kit, cut off a straight piece, and clamp it in a multi-tool. Then grind it to the desired diameter. And then adjust the shape with a file. Then attach it to the car. And enjoy your new side mirrors. Take a primer, shake well, and then apply several thin coats of paint. Do the same with the color. And enjoy the new color. Stay tuned, part 2 is coming soon.